Hi, I'm going to show you how to turn one of your regular YouTube links into a link that is safe to share to your whole class with none of these ads or suggested videos on the side and no suggestions popping up at the end. This is just a video I made about making websites, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the web address up here, right click copy or just Control C, and I'm going to go to safeshare.tv and I'm going to paste the link. And then it says generate safe link. Click that. And it's going to allow you to add a description if you don't already have one. It's up to you if you want to do that. You just press submit. And it's going to make this link for you. And it's right here at the bottom. So you'll copy this link. You can again right click and copy or Control C. Then you can open a new window, paste it, press enter, and there it is.
Create your own art website. You need to start by
your own video will be in here, and look, there's no suggestions out here and none will show up at the end. So now all you need to do is embed this new safeshare.tv link on your website or your homework page, and then you'll be sure to be sending out only safe videos to your students and only be showing safe videos in class. Thank you.